hope you're doing well. Now, unfortunately, not unfortunately, there is nothing much for me to say for us going into the market going next week, because I've already done all of that in the live session today. So if you missed the live session, kindly watch the live session because you have a good idea of what we are expecting going into next week and for the rest of the quarter. Right now, on when it comes to the dollar index, this is a level I'm watching for some sensitivity to come in. If they happen to hit it maybe later today, maybe you can offer a scalp. Now, if you want to trade at that time of the day, that will be entirely up to you. If you don't want to trade, then that's also fine. Just don't do anything. Okay. Now, going into next week, there is going to be some big moves that will happen because we've got NFP out of the way, and once we get NFP out of the way, it sets the stage for price movement for the rest of the month. So going into next week, we will be getting some trade ideas from myself and long-term projections as well. Now, if you do have any pair that I have not covered, don't hesitate to let me know, because I'm trying to keep my focus on a few pairs, as you all know. So if I don't cover any pair, it doesn't mean I don't do it. It means that I'm just trying to focus on a few pairs. So if I've not covered anything that you trade, then let me know. When it comes to the yen pairs, I've already given you what I'm looking for on these pairs. So the best thing is to wait for Monday. Okay, but again, watch the live session that I did today, because I gave everything for the long term and I explained why I'm expecting what I'm expecting. All right, so there's nothing much for me to say apart from let's see what next week will bring to us. Gold, it did go for the equal high that I was looking for, but it didn't give me no entry, so we just have to deal with it. If you happen to have got an entry to go and attack this equal high, well done. Right, I was looking for NFP to fake down to go up there. So that's all I have. I'll see you guys on Monday. Hopefully we have reasons to get some good trades for the rest of the week. Until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care.